What is the average electrician salary in Bulgaria? The average electrician income in Bulgaria is around 12,700 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax, but after tax it drops to $9,900, which leaves you with roughly $825 a month in take-home pay. On top of that, electrician wages in major hubs are substantially higher, so an electrician in Sofia brings home about $11,700 after tax, while cost of living in smaller towns offsets the difference. Entry-level electrician pay sits well below this mark, though pay goes up fast early on, before it plateaus unless you move into supervision. Having a university degree is not usually required for this role, but getting higher education helps you move into better paid roles like electrical engineer or project manager. You can also boost your earnings by gaining extra skills in specialized systems.